This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Growth Models, and welcome to the last of this month's build of Optimus Prime issue 44. In this issue, we're going to be finishing off and attaching the shoulder. I say finishing off, I mean attaching it to the torso a bit, I think, but not really finished. Last of a dying breed in the stories and the films. High energy. Next page, that is the next page. Normally there's a comic bit, but this is about him. All good. Grimlock, I know Grimlock, I'm aware of him. And Generation 2 of the Autobots. Yeah, some mixture of tiny and bigger ones. Fair enough, yeah, all good. So yes, the right shoulder with lots of little bits to do, bringing in together, apart from last time, putting in a big bracket and then bringing in the entirety of the torso and attaching that with little pistony things as well. Looking forward to getting parts together. I do like it when parts actually all fuse together and we haven't got lots of little bits anymore. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get it built. Okay, so parts today. We've got some more pistony things that I'll put together now, but I'll do that when it tells me to, but not for yet. We've got this part to attach on the outside of here with 3 screws. I've already got out of the bag. That's going to go in there. That one and that one. I shall get them all done now. But I'll get them tightened up in a moment because there is a little break that I need to take because there's another little bit that needs gluing to make sure these washers don't escape. I shall take the advantage of downtime for that. Get these nice and secure. That's that. I thought that would screw in place as well, but oh, there's a little pin on there that just locates in place in there. Get that in there. I think. Just pop in there by the looks of it. You can see it through the hole. There we go. So that knows we've got that in place. So I'll get those tightened up. I need then to attach this to that. There's a big washer. Did just have. You'll find. There it is. Which just pops. Constantly trying to escape. That goes in. That goes on there. There is a little bit that sticks out one side, so you've got to make sure that goes into the notch on there. So that goes on there like that, and then that goes over the top like that. But before I do that, on here is where I need to do the gluing. These 2 little washers have to go onto either side of that, and it says to glue them in place. So I should do that, get that dry, get that attached, and see what it looks like. Okay, while I was waiting for the glue to set, I put these together, so I thought I'd show you on the third one. They are in fact held together with the little pin. So again, you need to be very careful with this. Get the little pin in some tweezers or pliers. Get that through the first bit of the hole. Second bit lined up with it. And then push it all the way home. Like that. So then we've got 3 sort of pistons, but sort of articulated pistony type things, which we'll be attaching at the end. I've put the washer onto, washers onto that. There was another washer there that I had that's fallen off. There we go. It's a flat washer and a sprung washer on there, and that's the bolt for that. This is for attaching this, which we're going to do now. that I have attached on there. Tighten it up. Now the quite nice spanner that they give you for that. Getting into there, I've used the spanner that I got from other things. The other side, they did supply one months ago, but I don't know where that one is, and I've got my own. So this is one of those joints that you're not sure how tight to do it. I've done it how I'm comfortable. It won't move under that, but I'm sure it will once it's attached. So let's see about getting it attached. This is going to go on there, basically in there like that. So those two washers are now glued either side of that, so that will hold that in place and give us that little bit of friction. So that will go on there. The bolt drops through from the top. If it's all lined up properly. That's going to take a little bit of finagling. There we go. That's got through half of it. So that should then, I should be able to bend this that way. Yeah, there we go. So it's got articulated arm, and it will obviously rotate, and the whole thing will move a bit. So I've got to get that all the way through, and then get the bolt on from the other side where the bolts escape from. There it is. So yeah, this is going to be a little bit twiddly. So I shall do that behind the scenes, and then come back and attach the final bits. Okay, that's that all attached and bolted up. Difficult getting that bolt through there and lined up because you can't use the normal screwdriver bolt on it because the other bolt behind it. But that's all attached and on there, all good to go. Only last thing to do is to attach these, which just pop in place. One there and up the top there. One below it. There and on there. Get that through there properly. There we go. That didn't connect up properly on there. So these properly pop in place. And the last one is on the back. From there to there. Get that lined up properly on there. There we go. So that is another pack completed. Starting to look like a proper arm going together on there, and that obviously now still rotates up and down. We've got the rotation on the end there, so ready for an arm to be attached. I like it. It's coming together. There's lots of loose little bits though, so it's getting more difficult to do. But I'm pretty sure next time I assume we're going to be starting on the other arm over here. But we'll see what comes next. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you for more part works between now and then. See you soon. Bye bye for now.